So, good morning, everybody. This is teacher Luis Fernando Alvarez and recording live right now. So, at the moment, I'm supposed to be waiting for three people. They are Milton, Juliana, and Andrea. They haven't shown up for the class. So, I want to start recording part of the class that we're supposed to have today on grammar encounter. So, our topic was especially about relative clauses. So, in this topic, we're going to learn how to use and apply the right conditions to use relative clauses the best way. So to begin with, I shared out something like what are relative clauses. So in general terms, let's say that relative clauses are the relation of two clauses, an independent and a dependent clause. An independent clause or main clause is a complete sentence. It contains the main subject and verb of a sentence. For example, I know where she lives. So I know could be an independent clause. Where she lives is a dependent clause. A dependent clause or subordinate clause is not a complete sentence. I must be connected to an independent clause. On the second slide, we have another definition of relative clauses. We use relative pronouns who, whose, which, or that, and the relative adverbs where, when, that, why to introduce relative clauses. So it's important to remember the use of who, whose, which, that, and adverbs such as where, when, that, why, and to introduce the clauses. In here, how do we form the relative clauses? So, in general terms, we can say that we form relative clauses with an independent and a dependent clause. We use relative clauses to identify or describe the person, place, or thing in the main clause. Such in the example, the actor who is in the play is my friend. The actor who is in the play is my friend. Notice that if we point out the actor is my friend is a complete sentence, but it turns into relative clauses because we're into a relative clause, because we're introducing the word who is in the play, giving some relevant information. The actor who is in the play is my friend. We have more examples right here. We use who or that to refer to people. I respect teachers who that care about their students. We use which or that to refer to objects, animals, and ideas. The sandwich, which or that is in the fridge, is for Mike. We use where to refer to places. That's a restaurant where they serve the best Thai food. So here we have more examples. We use whose with people, animals, and things to show possession. He's the man whose garden won a prize. We use why to give a reason. Susan explained why she was late. Alright, this is the main use of the, in this case, the relative clauses. So in here, we're supposed to have an exercises to keep in mind, but it's to practice and the concepts that we have practiced today. So since nobody's out there, so for obvious reason, we're not gonna do it. Thanks for watching and bye bye.